It's so interesting. The Bank of Japan hikes for the first time in almost 20 years, and the reaction for Japanese equity traders and FX traders is kind of a collective shrug. Do you think that narrative just continues?
Well, I think that's a sign that the BOJ did a very good job of communicating that it didn't cause shock and consternation in the market, and it indicated that it intends to be very, very careful. I would say our own forecast is for 140 on the dollar yen 12 months from now, so we're expecting a mild appreciation. I think that's sort of around 5 or 6%. But the thing that I'm sure you're very aware of is they have exited deflation, and that is incredibly meaningful in a country where over half of household and corporate balance sheets are basically bank deposits, and they were those massive cash hoards that were accumulated through 2 decades of deflation. But if we're exiting that deflation, which I think emphatically we can say yes we are, some of that money is going to be moving into productive assets, and that would include equities. And the good news in Japan is with over 4,000 listed companies, there's many to choose from. And there are companies in Japan that have been outperformers even versus the S&P over the last 20 years. The topics, of course, looks lousy over that time period, but you can find lots of companies that have had shares that have done well because they have ROEs that are in the mid-teens.